Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aya and I will show today how you can do fake Freckles. Yes, how you can do natural fake Freckles, and it's really ace and good, and I hope you like. So keep it watching. So guys, to this tutorial you need a brown eyeshadow, and I used a black contain 1 gram of makeup, and it's a free eyeshadow. I really love this color, but you can use a brown eyeshadow, on brown, nor black nor gray, on brown. You do need water to mix it with the shadow. Well, and a brush. I use the old eyeshadow brush. So you mix the water with the shadow. So it's part those little dirt, but no problem. You need still mixing. Mix. No, don't do with it. You need that movement with the bristles and now your face. Or only you want to do freckles. I really love freckles, so I those movement on all my face. Oops, no problem. Well, it's the final look, and if I hope you like, please subscribe, like and share this video. So is it. Bye.